Slow ball picked by Abdul Razak and deep into the stands for another Ease My Trip 6.
This is Razak to a tee. This is where he loves to hit the ball. Darren Matty should know that. Darren Matty would have played against Razak a lot.
One hand, Ali Brown, deep square leg, and goes for another Ease My Trip 6. 19 from the over.
Oh, take a breath, England. You're chasing a massive 197. Pakistan, very, very good once again.
Kamran Akmal Sharjeel getting out for 11 and 13, but what an innings once again by Maqsood. 64 for 44 deliveries. Stability, big partnership with Shoaib Malik. Shoaib Malik getting 51 as well. He's about 23, and cameo by Abdul Razak, 20 of just 9.